What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another hero's journey. Figures, lazy Saturday, just do the episode in bed today. Why not? I have a few things I wanted to just chime in on really quick. Can't even read my first note, but drop in the comments. I need a couple new pens. Big fan of these clicky Sharpies. These are pretty freaking amazing. But wouldn't mind having a few thinner pens as well. I do love the click abilities of the Sharpie. It's pretty freaking amazing, but it'd be nice to have just the thinner ballpoint type pen. So if you have any recommendations there, it'd be great to hear. Also, another Travis news. Been really working pretty hard lately. A lot of computer time. A lot of pain in these areas of the arms. These areas. Any pain experts know how to fix these areas. And I don't think it's from surfing. Because it's kind of new and I'm on the computer a lot more. I think my arms are kind of up high and I think they're resting, but they could be in a weird position where they're kind of high and working at the same time my hands are clicking away. So, not really sure what's going on there, but hopefully people have some suggestions there. I have bought these little, because I am brace boy these days, I bought these sleeves, and those seem to work really good. But besides that, any suggestions would be great. Also, as we all know, life is maintenance. You have to every day maintain and continue down your path of life. It's kind of like car maintenance, computer maintenance, room maintenance, hygiene. Life is all about maintaining. And if you keep adding on to that, you're adding on to the maintenance. So it's interesting to know that why gratitude and being thankful for what you have is also being thankful to maintain what you have. And if you keep piling on, or you keep trying to keep up with the old Jonses, you're just adding more to maintain. So it's interesting how we can have a shiny object syndrome, like I want that. But then when you realize maintaining that actually adds stress and adds more work to your life, then it kind of defeats the point of it. Just more to maintain, more to keep up with. So this is kind of why the less is more really is a great microphone. Keeps wanting to fall down. We'll see how this audio sounds. If it sounds bad, I apologize. If it sounds great, you're welcome. But the less is more idea, I think as you get older, as you accumulate more shit, more things, more relationships, tangible items, experiences, it's kind of like you have to do something to then understand it. And I know a lot of people say being wise is learning from others' mistakes, but for me personally, I have to learn from my own mistakes. Now it's kind of like when you get gear, like camera gear, you need more and more, and then one day you're like, oh, I got all this gear, oh, now it's all obsolete. It's kind of funny how powers that be have created this world where you almost never feel like you can catch up to having the stuff that you need, when in reality things from 10 years ago are still perfectly fine today in all aspects. Trends, fashion changes, people are yelling and ruining my audio. Things happen and there's always change. That's the constant. So the less you have to deal with that change, the easier it's going to be for you. I want to take a sip of that coffee over there, but right now there's a lot of moving parts and this microphone. I'm not sure how this is. I'm going to do a quick test. Boom. I think we're golden. So, hey guys, I just wanted to kind of hop on, get a quick episode in. We are slowly inching our way to that big 100 episodes, which for me will be a very monumental accomplishment. Because doing 100 episodes of something is challenging. Making 100 songs, going on 100 hikes, making 100 meals. That's a lot. That's one thing done 10 times, another 10 times, another 10 times. That's a big deal. So, appreciate everyone tuning in for another episode. Enjoy your weekend. Peace.